In today's video, I'm going to teach you log in to Zoho People. We'll walk through getting signed in, finding your way around the dashboard, updating your profile, applying for leave, checking attendance, viewing holidays and shifts, and where to find reports. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your day-to-day tasks in Zoho People. Start by going to the Zoho People site. Click Login and enter your credentials. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter a verification code from your Authenticator app or text message. This extra step helps protect your account, so keep your device handy when you sign in. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. You'll typically see three major areas. My Space shows your personal information, quick actions, and recent activities. Team gives you a snapshot of your team members, making it easier to understand who's around and how your group is structured. Organization is where you'll find company-wide announcements, policies, and the employee directory. If your layout looks a bit different, that's okay. Admins can customize the view, but these sections are common anchors. Next, let's update your profile. Click Profile, usually from the top right avatar or the left sidebar. Review and update your name, email, mobile number, country, and time zone. Accurate time zone and contact details ensure your attendance, notifications, and leave requests work smoothly. While you're there, enable multi-factor authentication if it isn't already on. A strong password plus MFA is the best way to keep your data secure. To apply for leave, head to Leave Tracker and select Add Request. Choose the leave type your company offers, pick your start and end dates, and enter a brief reason to give your manager context. Submit the request, then monitor its progress in leave requests. You'll see whether it's pending, approved, or declined, so you're always up to date. For attendance, go to Attendance from the sidebar. Click Check In at the start of your workday, and remember to click Check Out when you finish. This keeps your timesheet accurate and helps payroll stay on track. To plan ahead, visit Holidays to view your company holiday calendar. Then open Shift to confirm your scheduled work hours, so you know exactly when you're expected to be on. Finally, if your role allows it, explore Reports. You can review leave and attendance summaries and other reports relevant to you, which can be helpful for monthly reviews and planning. That's it, your essential tour of Zoho People.